When you run one of Cobra's standard graphic reports, Cobra creates the reports in Excel. This video shows you how to copy those graphics across to PowerPoint so that you can use them easily in presentations. So let's run one of the standard Cobra graphic reports and we'll show you how to copy the graphs across into PowerPoint. So we're going to run the SPI index chart for my project. So no filter. We're going to get a chart for each control account is what we're going to have. And then this is a historical trend chart. So I want to pick the my project started in February and the data day is in April. So I'm going to pick that time period for the x-axis. And then I'll just go ahead and run it. So now here's the file that Cobra produces. So Cobra places all these charts in one Excel workbook. So we've got a chart for each control account, so that's nice. But what I really want is to get these charts into PowerPoint so I can integrate them into my monthly status presentation and maybe annotate some of them a little bit more. So I could copy them one at a time into a PowerPoint slide, but I really just want to get all of them into PowerPoint. So we've got a macro that's available on the Pinnacle website that will help you do this. So I'm going to save this file out to the desktop. And then here it is. So I'm going to open that. So it would be nice if you could store macros in the Excel templates, in the report templates Cobra uses, and then have the macro available here automatically when you run the report. But Cobra won't allow you to do that. So you have to store the macro in a separate Excel file and then open this report file and the macro and then run the macro against this report file. So I'm going to open the file that's got the macro in it that I downloaded from the Pinnacle website. So it's in this folder. It's called Curve Create PPT Macro. So now I've got both files open. This one has the macro in it and the other workbook has my charts in it. So I'm going to go back to the charts and then I'm on the view ribbon. So I'm going to use the macro option. Here's the macro that I'm going to run. So I'm going to run this and this copies each chart that's in the Excel file, copies them across to PowerPoint slides. So now I've got something I can use nicely in the presentation. I can annotate this with more graphic information if I want. I can change the layout of these charts if I want to do that. Make it a 3D ribbon chart. So that's how you can copy Excel graphics across into PowerPoint.